payroll tax in order to fund a city program that provides private sector workers with 8 weeks of paid time off for new parents. That's 6 weeks to care for an ill relative and 2 weeks of personal sick time. Now, while employers start paying toward that program this year, the benefits won't be available to employees until next year. Now, one thing taking effect immediately in the district, minimum wage. Minimum wage will increase from $13.25 to $14 an hour. Now, if you're a tip earner, employers would be required to pay you at least $4.45 an hour, and they would have to make up the difference if your tips fall short of the standard minimum wage.
Now, if you take the Metro, you could end up saving a few bucks. Today, Metro rolled out some more affordable passes. All of them will come with free Metro bus service. And one more thing, Metro's adding more service to some stations on the yellow and red lines. And you'll want to use those services through the week, especially on the 4th, when it is going to be bananas around here.
It will be bananas.
And,
it's bananas anyway.
And then we sort of mix things up, because there could be some weather all mixed in, too.
There could be. And, you know, we always worry about storms on the 4th.
Right.
But sometimes we always kind of work around them. But I'm more concerned this year because they're going to be more numerous, and they're going to be in town, I think, arriving earlier. It's not necessarily just going to be like the 5 to 8 o'clock storms, which can get out of here in time for the fireworks, but more like maybe all afternoon. They may linger much of the night. So I'm kind of concerned. Not concerned about the camp weather tomorrow, though. It will be toasty. You know, we had our little break. We were 88 today, so we broke our 6-day, 90-degree little mini heat wave. That's the hottest it's been in June since 2015. So now we're looking at temperatures in the 80s very quickly. Near 90 by 1 o'clock and low 90s by 4 o'clock. And I'm going to keep it dry. There could be an isolated shower tomorrow, but I think they're going to be few and far between. Temperatures, here we go, back in the 90s. So 93 tomorrow, 93 on Wednesday, back to 90 on the 4th. That's more really a result of clouds and showers, same air mass. Low 90s on Friday, and then boom, we kind of spike into the upper mid-90s on Saturday. So the heat is going to return with that just one day of relief. It was really sweet today, too. 88 low humidity. All right, so now we're looking at 86 as we get into Tuesday, 84 on Wednesday. And even at the shore, there'll be some storms on Thursday the 4th, but you'll be able to get a beach day in. So that's really the place to be. And water temperatures now in the low to mid 70s, which is pretty nice. So here we, in case you missed it, 87 to 92, and not scattered, not isolated, numerous storms for much of the metro area on Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. The weekend for us, not much better. 95, a few storms on Saturday, 92, scattered storms on Sunday. So again, Sunday we'll have more storms than Saturday, but still, both days will not be storm free. And remember, as we said last week with the heat, you know, when you get this kind of heat, any storm that develops can be strong and a few can be severe. So hot and more humid tomorrow. Hot and humid Wednesday through Friday. PM storms, but again, numerous on the 4th. And then hot and humid over the weekend with some storms. So tomorrow morning, actually quite pleasant. 64 in Gaithersburg, 63 in Frederick, even downtown 70, probably 61 or so in Damascus and Etchison, 65 in Fredericksburg. How nice is that? By 9 o'clock, it gets warm. Now we're back in the upper 70s around Waldorf, upper 70s in Frederick, and even 75 in Hagerstown. By lunchtime, we're near 90. Futurecast trying to build some clouds in here. Don't really see that many clouds coming in here. And then by the time we get into 6 p.m., now Futurecast trying to produce a couple of showers and storms. And some of these could be hefty. Again, I think this is overdone. But those storms that develop, again, could be heavy. A few could be severe. Even into tomorrow night about this time. A couple of showers still possible. Look at the temperatures. 85 tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. 80 in Gaithersburg. 82 as far north as Hagerstown. So our little respite from the 90s and humidity, it's over. 93 tomorrow, 93 on Wednesday. We'll hold off until the 4th, Thursday, for a yellow weather alert. High temps around 90. And even on Friday, I think we'll see a lot of showers and storms. That may be another yellow weather alert. Saturday, a few storms on Saturday, stray storms, but then more storms on Sunday and even a stray storm on Monday. Nat's back in town tomorrow, right on through Sunday.
All right, so the Wizards have just signed somebody who has struggled to get on anybody's court.
Yeah, but here's the thing about it. The last time he was dominant on the basketball court, he eliminated the Wizards, so they didn't make the Eastern Conference Finals.
And we're talking
about Isaiah Thomas. We're going to explain why the Wizards signed one of the most hated players for the Wizards 4 years ago, coming up next.